Measurements is our third unit of this term. Addition using standard units, liter and milliliter. To add liter and milliliter, first convert the liter into milliliter. So here in this problem, 1 liter is given. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So change 1 liter into milliliter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter plus 345 milliliter. Now both the values are in milliliter. Here we can add easily. First, write down the first value 1000 milliliter and the second one is 345 milliliter. Add these two values. ml, the unit is, the standard unit is milliliter, and adding these two values we get 0 plus 5, 5. 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 3, 3 and 1. So, the answer is 1 liter plus 345 milliliter is equal to 1345 milliliter. We converted the problem in milliliter. And 7 liter plus 9 ml. Here in this problem, first we have to do the conversion of liter into milliliter. First convert the liter into milliliter. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Then 7 liter will be 7000 milliliter because 7 into 1000 is equal to 7000. Now substitute 7L is equal to 7000 milliliter in the given problem. 7L plus 9ml is equal to 7L. In place of 7L, we can write 7000 milliliter plus 9 milliliter. Now adding these two values. 9. Only one's place is there. Now adding these two values we get 7009 milliliter. Step 1. Start from milliliters. We have to add the values which are in the milliliters and then add the values which are in the liters. Here 3 plus 4 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 77 liters and 555 milliliters. Children, now we are going to see exercise 3.2 problems. Children, exercise 3.2, second problem. Match the following measurements given in the bottles with the measurements in the boxes given below the bottles. Children, here 3 liter 400 milliliters, and here this bottle measures 1 liters and 10 milliliters, 25 liters 73 milliliters, and this bucket 36 liters 9 milliliters. So we have to match the measurements which are in liters and milliliters with the measurements, equivalent measurements in milliliters. See, 3 liters 400 milliliters. So let us convert liter into milliliters. So 3 liters is equal to 3000 milliliters. So 3000 milliliters plus 400 milliliter is 3400 milliliters. So our answer is 3400 milliliters. 1 liter 10 milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So add 1000 milliliter with 10 milliliter. We get 1010 milliliters. 25 liters, 73 milliliters. 25 liters. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 25 liters will be, yes, 2500 milliliters. And 73 milliliters. When we add 2500 milliliters with 73 milliliters, we get 2573 milliliters. And finally, 36 liters can be converted in milliliters as 3600 milliliters. With 9 milliliters, when we add 3600 milliliters with 9 milliliters, we get 3609 milliliters. Therefore, our answer is 3 liters 400 milliliters is equal to 3400 milliliters. 1 liter 10 milliliters is equal to 1010 milliliters. 25 liters 73 milliliters is equal to 2573 milliliters. And 36 liters 9 milliliters is equal to 3609 milliliters. Example 1. Subtract 8 liters 450 ml from 28 liters 750 ml. Children, first write down liters and milliliters. Write down the values. So here we are subtracting 8 liters 450 ml from the number 28 liters 750 ml. In this problem, liters and milliliters occurs in the same value, and here we have to write this value first. 28 liters. So here we are subtracting 8 liters 450 ml from this value. So write the value first. 28 liters 750, and the second value which is to be subtracted is 8 liters 450 ml. Now we are subtracting these two values. Example 2. Sharma family have 2 buckets in their house. The capacity of one bucket is 4 liters 450 milliliters, and the other one is 5 liters 180 milliliters. What is the total? Total is the keyword of addition. What is the total capacity of 2 buckets? Children, here we have to add. We have to add the capacity of 2 buckets. Capacity of first bucket is 4 liters 450 milliliters. Capacity of second bucket is 5 liters and 180 milliliters. So to find the total capacity of 2 buckets, we have to add these two values. Adding capacity of first and second buckets, we get the total capacity of 2 buckets. Now liter and milliliters. So write down separately. So here in liter write down 4 and milliliter 450. Okay, and 5 liters 180 milliliters. So we know that how to add this addition, this sum. Now start with milliliters. So we have to add the values which are in the milliliters. So 0, 5 plus 8, 13. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 630 milliliters. And 4 plus 5, 9. 9 liters. Thus, the total capacity of 2 bucket is 9 liters 630 milliliters. Example 3. A motor car consumed 188 liters of petrol and 145 liters 375 milliliters in the month of January and February. What is the difference in the petrol consumption? So children, here the word difference is the keyword of subtraction. So we have to subtract 145 liters 375 milliliters from 188 liters to get the difference in the petrol consumption. A motor car consumed 188 liters. So there is no milliliters. So for that put 0. And 145 liters 375 milliliters in the month of January and February. So in January, a motor car consumed 188 liters of petrol, and in the month of February, the motor car consumed 145 liters 375 milliliters of petrol. Now, what is the difference in the petrol consumption? So, difference, the term, the word difference is the key word of subtraction. Children, if there is a word difference in the problem, you have to subtract. You have to subtract the given values. So, write down petrol consumed in the month of January is 188 liters and there is no milliliters value. So write down 000 in place of milliliters. Write down 3 zeros. And petrol consumed in the month of February is 145 liters and 375 milliliters. So here in the second value, there are 3 digits in the milliliters. That's why we are writing 3 zeros in the first value. And here, to find the difference, we have to subtract. We know that how to subtract the values. Now, subtract the values which are in the milliliters. That is, start from milliliters. Here, when we subtract 000, that children, we can't subtract 375 from 0. That's why we are borrowing 1 from the 10th place. Here it becomes 10, here it becomes 9, and here it becomes 9, 8 becomes 7. 10 minus 5 is, yes, it is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. 625 milliliters. And 7 minus 5. As our second step, subtract the values which are in the liters. 7 minus 5, 2. Here 8 minus 4, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. 42 liters, 625 milliliters. The difference is 42 liters, 625 milliliters. Petrol consumed more in the month of January is 42 liters, 625 milliliters. Exercise 3.3. Solve the following. First problem. Ramu filled the petrol in his 2 carts. The first one hold the capacity of 23 liters 500 milliliters and the second one hold the capacity 15 liters 750 milliliters. Find the total quantity of petrol. Children, here total. Total represents, yes, we have to add. We have to add the given 2 capacities of petrol. Ramu filled the petrol in his 2 cars. The first one hold the capacity of 23 liters 500 milliliters and the second car hold the capacity of petrol is 15 liters and 750 milliliters. Find the total quantity of petrol. So total, here the total word is a keyword of addition. So in this problem we have to add these two values, liters and milliliters. 23 liters 500 milliliters and 15 liters 750 liters. So let us start from milliliters. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. Put 2 here and 1 in the liter place. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. Thus, the total quantity of petrol is 39 liters 250 milliliters. Second problem. Kannan has some cows. They give milk in the first week 48 liters 480 milliliters, and in the second week 57 liters 530 milliliters. Find the total capacity of milk. Children, total. What it means? Yes, it is a keyword of addition. So we have to add the milk in the first week and in the second week. Has some cows. They give milk in the first week 48 liters 480 milliliters, and in the second week 57 liters 530 milliliters. Find the total capacity of milk. Total. Total is the keyword of addition. Sum, total is the keyword of addition. So in this problem we have to add the given two values in the liter and also in the milliliter. The values are given. So here we need to add. First, let us start from milliliters. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 3, 11. Put 1 here and 1 in the place. And 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. And put 0 here in the milliliter place and 1 in the liter place. So 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. And here put 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So the total capacity of milk is 106 liters 10 milliliters. Fourth problem. The shopkeeper had 43 liters 750 milliliters of groundnut oil. He sold 24 liters 350 milliliters. How much oil was left with him? Left. So what do you have to do? Yes, you have to take subtraction. Subtract 24 liters 350 milliliters from 43 liters 750 milliliters. Shopkeeper had 43 liters 750 milliliters of groundnut oil. He sold 24 liters 350 milliliters. Now, how much oil was left with him? After selling the oil, how much oil was left with him? For that, left, the key word of difference, of subtraction. So children, in this problem we are going to subtract the given values. So 43 liters 750 milliliters, 24 liters 350 milliliters. We have to start from milliliters. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 3, 4. 400 milliliters. 3 minus 4. We can't subtract 4 from 3. Borrow 1 from 4. So it becomes 13. Now 4 becomes 3. 13 minus 4, 9. 3 minus 2, 1. Therefore, the oil was left with him is 19 liters 400 milliliters. Fifth problem. A bucket contains 15 liters 500 milliliters of water. Gopi poured out 5 liters 200 milliliters to water the plants. How much water is left in the bucket? Yes, left. The keyword left represents subtraction. Yes, you have to subtract 5 liters 200 milliliters from 15 liters 500 milliliters. A bucket contains 15 liters 500 milliliters of water. Gopi poured out 5 liters 200 milliliters to water the plants. Now, how much water is left with the bucket? Left. It means that it is the keyword of subtraction. Left, difference are the keywords of subtraction. So, here we have to subtract 5 liters 200 milliliters from 15 liters 500 milliliters. So, children, let us start with milliliters. Let us subtract 200 from 500 milliliters. 0, 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. 300 milliliters. 5 minus 5, 0. 1. So, 10 liters 300 milliliters. The water was left in the bucket is 10 liters 300 milliliters. Find the difference between these two cans. Find the difference between these two cans. Children, in this problem, two cans, the volume of two cans are given. The one is 30 liters 500 milliliters. Another one is 22 liters 300 milliliters. Find the difference between these two cans. Difference is the keyword of subtraction. So, now we are going to subtract these two values. First, let's start from milliliters. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. 200 milliliters. 0 minus 2. We can't subtract 2 from 0. Let's borrow 1 from 3. It becomes 2 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 2 minus 2, 0. Now the difference. Difference is 8 liters 200 milliliters. Estimation of the volume of a liquid contained in a vessel and verification by measuring. See exercise 3.4 under the topic estimation of the volume of a liquid contained in a vessel and verification by measuring. Now children, here the first problem is estimate how much liquid each object can hold. Hint is 500 milliliters, 100 milliliters and 50 milliliters, 25 milliliters and 20 liters. So children, here the glass can hold liter or milliliter of milk. Obviously it is milliliters. And here the measurements are given. Milliliters, 500 milliliters, 100 milliliters, 50 milliliters, 25 milliliters are there. So, a glass can hold, yes, 50 milliliters of milk. And a bottle can hold 500 milliliters of water, half liter. In third one, syrup bottle is given. Syrup bottle can hold, yes, 100 milliliters of syrup. And ink bottle, we know that it can hold 25 milliliters of ink. And bucket can hold liter or milliliter. So liters is a, yes, largest unit, largest measurement unit, standard unit when comparing to milliliters. So a bucket contains, yes, liters. So liters, 20 liters, only one measurement is in liters. So it contains 20 liters of water. That is, a bucket can hold 20 liters of water. Children, write down. A glass can hold 50 milliliters of milk. A bottle can hold 500 milliliters of water. Syrup bottle can hold 100 milliliters of syrup. Ink bottle, an ink bottle can hold 25 milliliters of ink. A bucket can hold 20 liters of water. Children, do the following activity with the help of your parents.